Especially for Mihai. Start from today, I call you as Lai, yeah. So as we see that this morning that you have got married and you have promised before God each other, and and it's mean that your marriage has been legally valid in accordance to church law, and now you have to know that you get married with batak nis, so you have to do this batak tradition ceremony to make your marriage is fully valid in accordance to batak tradition. So without this, you cannot do batak tradition in the future. This is like a certificate for you, so you can do batak tradition, you can join and can do in the future. So at this moment, we put this ulos hela on you. It means this ulos hela have so many meanings for you. It means that you have been accepted as family, as son-in-law of your parents-in-law. And then you have been allowed become a part of Samosir family. And then the second, you're married. This ulos hela means also that both of you have been united, become a couple that has been fully valid in accordance to our tradition. And then the third, this ulos hela means also that there are family bondings here between Sinaga's family and Samosir families, and also Fansea family. So there are the eternity of relationship between us. And then the fourth, this ulos hela also means that good prayer and good hope. May God bless you with the many descendants, and also may happiness always be with you. And I have to say that always rely on God in every aspect of your life. Okay? I hope you understand it, and you can learn Batak language in the future, so you can understand what is happening now. Okay. And also this one, this is sarung. Yeah. Also this, you have to put on you also, always, if you go to Batak tradition ceremony, and also with this. Okay? So now we put this ulos. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you always be happy. Thank you.